Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is the name of Ahhhsoneo, and I am finally getting around and doing an unboxing for you guys today. It's in this ginormous box back here. If you'd like to see what I picked up during the recent Matches fashion sale, watch on. I recently picked up something really quite stellar on MatchesFashion.com. I was really excited to get my hands on this because if you follow me on Instagram, you saw me try on this something very similar at Nordstrom, but I put on my caption for that particular picture that I wish the price was a little different. Well, the retail gods provided and Matches Fashion had a sale, and I was finally able to pick up this piece, and I'm so excited to be sharing it with you guys today. So welcome back to my channel. My name is Neo. This is my channel here, Ahhsoneo. I like to think that I'm a luxury YouTuber, but you know, a little bit, getting there in life. I do like to post about luxury items such as handbags, shoes, makeup, definitely makeup, and today is my really small foray into luxury clothing. And I have to be honest guys, I don't believe in spending a lot of money on clothing. I just don't, because it's clothes. You wear them like once or twice, and well, okay, hold on. Here in America, maybe we wear them like once or twice and then we're done with them. I'm not like that. I actually tend to keep a lot of my stuff for a long time, but at the same, because I'm a firm believer in cost per wear, but at the same time, I just look at really expensive clothing as really expensive clothing. So I tend not to buy it. I'll drop money on a handbag, and nowadays I'll drop money on a pair of shoes, but clothing, not so much. However, we all have exceptions to the rule. And I picked up something that came in this absolutely ginormous bag, and you guys. So when you go on the let's see if I can get it. Got it. Ooh, things fell out. Okay. More things fell out. It's from, can you see it? No, that's upside down. It's from Matches Fashion, like I stated. All of my return labels and so on fell out. But when you're on their website, you have a choice to choose if you want, I think they called it like a, I don't know, you can get a fancy box or you can just get a plain brown shipping box. So I love the fancy box. It's one of these magnetic closure ones, so I did want to pick up the box because I feel like I have a lot of stuff I can store in this. So what is in this box? Well, obviously you know, because I had a title on the thumbnail. Lovely packaging as always from Matches Fashion. Well, let me not say as always. This is actually my very first package from Matches Fashion, but I love it. It reminds me of Beautylish. It has a sign here that says your items was packed carefully by Barbara. Thank you, Barbara. And I had opened this before. If you follow me on Instagram, you have seen this, because I can't wait. I'm not one of those people who can hold on to something and wait. So I had to take a peek. Yes, that says BALMAIN. I don't know how to say that. I'm not even gonna lie. But I finally got my hands on a BALMAIN jacket. I am so excited. Look at that. A bit nautical. I'll be the first to admit that. I kind of went back and forth. I think this is like a twill fabric. Very nicely packaged in here. Thanks. Look at that. Giant shoulder pads, navy blue and white stripe. I'm a navy blue and white stripe kind of girl. And I did get this in a size 38, which I believe is like a 6 US. Big bold gold buttons. I mean, just screams BALMAIN. I don't know really, but screams BALMAIN. And the best part about this, guys, is I got this at a really good deal. I didn't buy it through the US Matches website. I bought it through, I think, Australia, because when you looked at the different Matches website, the US Australia one did have the I mean, the Australian one did have the best price. My bank did charge me, because I put in a credit card, you know, so I can get the points. But anyway, that's a whole nother story. But my credit card did charge me international fee. So, yeah. But it was still, even with still that 3% international purchase fee, it was still so much cheaper than the sale price that I eventually saw this on the Neiman Marcus website on sale. And I saw it on another website on sale. On the US website it went on sale too, but the Australian site still had it at the cheapest price, and it was free shipping. And then get this, oh, and I had an Ebates 10%, no, 3.5% cash back on Ebates if I went through their website to get to Matches Fashion, so that helped too. And then get this, so after I bought it, they had an extra 10% off a sale, and I contacted Matches Fashion's website, and the jacket was still available at that point, and I asked them to refund me the extra 10%, and they did. So all in all, by the time it was all said and done, I got this for less than $9.50, which, if you know anything about BALMAIN jackets, was a steal. Definitely less than half off. So very excited about that.
I want to really do like a full modeling shot for you guys.
I want to really do a full modeling shot for you guys, but there's issues. Issue being, as like my daughter likes to say, that I've gotten fat. You know you like to say that. I hope you can say it. Let me move the chair.
I never said that.
You said mommy had a big tummy tum tum tum. Mommy does have a big tummy tum tum. That's okay.
I said you had.
I had. I know, it was a bit sad. I don't anymore. We're working on it. So I don't know if this is how I would style it, with a striped shirt underneath, definitely a plain navy blue shirt underneath, a white shirt underneath. I have a variety of both of those colors. A bit nautical, so yes, but still I think I can make it work. And I am also going to say this. I live in Arizona in the US. It is, as we speak, about 108 degrees, which by my math is maybe 35 Celsius. So it's gonna be about 3 months before I can whip this baby out. But you know what, when you see a sale, you gotta just jump for it. So yes, okay. I have a fan going and AC is going, so thank goodness I'm gonna keep wearing this for the rest of the video. I did want to share also this. Oh, now this is a piece I got from when the BALMAIN did a collection with H&M. BALMAIN. You know what? I'm just gonna butcher it is. And when I bought this, when this collection came out a few years ago, I think now it was like 3 or 4 years ago, I thought to myself, this is my only opportunity in my life I'm ever gonna be able to afford BALMAIN. I mean, really, I was like, I gotta get it. And I loved the presentation with the dust jacket that it came in, and I bought this piece, which I love. And look at that. I'm not a very stylish person. I have a very particular look. I like to think I do. And I love this piece. And I think you can see that navy blue, gold, gaudy, in your face is my style. I like to think in my head that's my style. I love this. I love the presentation BALMAIN by H&M. It was really, really great. I would have loved to get a dust coat or a hanger or something for this jacket, but you know what? For the price I got it for, it's okay. We can live with that. So yeah. So look. Now I have 2 BALMAIN pieces in my collection, which I never thought I would. I mean, when it comes to designer clothing, I think I have an Armani jacket and these 2, and that's it, because I just don't spend that kind of money on clothing. I just don't. So that's it, guys. I hope you liked my unboxing of my BALMAIN jacket. I'm gonna put that picture of myself on Instagram when I'm wearing the pink version of this with silver buttons. from Nordstrom. I think the original was like $2,500, which, you know, I'm sorry, that ain't for me. I gotta lose some of this little bit of weight I gained before I can really wear this jacket, and trust me, I'm gonna do it. But yeah, I love it. I hope you guys love it. So thanks so much for watching, guys. As always, remember, choose happiness. That's the only way to be. Yeah, you too. Choose happiness, Miss Thingy. And it's a choice. It's a choice you get to make every day, and I hope you're making the right choices for you and yours. Subscribe if you haven't, my lovelies. Subscribe. Bye-bye.